Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a beautiful and easy granny square pattern. It's a timeless design and perfect for blankets, bags or combining into larger creative projects. Let's get started. We are going to start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. And then chain 1 in the first round, and we need to work 16 double crochets inside the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now I have completed 2 double crochets into the magic ring. We have to work until we get 16 double crochets into the magic ring. So we will continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now I feel like the magic ring is too big for me, and I'm going to pull this tail a little to make it smaller like this, and then continue to work the other double crochets. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now I have completed 16 double crochets into the magic ring, and then we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. So insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first round. This is what it looks like. And then we need to chain 5 to start with the second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then go into the very next stitch and work a double crochet. And again chain 2, 1, 2 and a double crochet into the next stitch. Again chain 2 and work a double crochet into the next stitch. Now this is the exact pattern we need to repeat until the end of the round. So continue the pattern and meet me back there at the end. This is the end of the round 2. And to join the round, what I'm going to do is insert the hook into the third chain from the starting point. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. So insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our second round as well. Now we will get started with the third round. First we need to go into the chain 2 space here and work a slip stitch to move the loop. So insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work 2 double crochets into the same chain 2 space, 1 and 2. Again go into the next chain 2 space and work 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Continue to work 3 double crochets into each one of the chain 2 spaces, 1, 2 and 3. Like that we will continue the pattern. This is the end of the round 3, and then we need to work a slip stitch on top of the third chain here. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the third round as well. This is what it looks like. And then start with the round 4, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then skip 2 stitches, 1 and 2, go into the third stitch and work a slip stitch there. So insert the hook into the third stitch and work a slip stitch, and then again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then skip 2 stitches and work a slip stitch into the third stitch, and then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and again skip 2 stitches and work a slip stitch into the third stitch. Now we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and a slip stitch into the third stitch, again chain 3, slip stitch into the third stitch, again chain 3, slip stitch into the third stitch, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slip stitch into the third stitch, again chain 3 and continue the pattern. Chain 3, and this is the end of the round 4, and then we need to go into the starting point and work a slip stitch there. With that we have completed the round 4, and then go into the chain 3 space here and work a slip stitch to start with round 5, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. After that work 2 double crochets into the same chain 3 space, 1 and 2, and then go into the next chain 3 space and work 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and then we will go into the chain 6 space here and work 5 double crochets first, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. and then chain 2 at the corner and work another 5 double crochets into the same chain 6 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you can see that I have created the corner here, and then I'm going to work 3 double crochets into each one of the next 3 chain 3 spaces here. 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 double crochets here into the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 double crochets into the next chain 3 space. 1, 2 and 3. Then go into the next chain 6 space here and work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and chain 2, 1 and 2. Again 5 double crochets into the same chain 6 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. This is the end of the round 5. Then work a slip stitch on top of the third chain from the starting point. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. So work a slip stitch to join the round like this. And then chain 1, leave a little tail, and I'm going to cut the yarn off. After that, we will hide the tails by using the yarn needle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this simple and lovely granny square with me. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fun and beginner friendly crochet tutorials. See you in the next video.